Automations and mail settings. The earliest send time would be when is the earliest that Orbis can send to your clients. I would change this from let AI decide to send after 8:45 only. Your clients do not like getting early messages and texts in the morning. Confirm appointments. If you want to ask your clients if they want to confirm their appointments, you can do so. And in 24 hours in advance, a week in advance, it'll ask your clients to confirm. You can confirm by a phone call if you've got the Twilio voice, the TWIML integration set up. You can also confirm an appointment by phone call, but only have this selected if you've got the Twilio voice TWIML set up. No-show follow-ups. If you go to your calendar here, let's just go quickly to our calendar, and I press no-show right here, no-show, it will send your client an automated email and text if you want to follow up with a no-show. Right when you press this complete button, if you want your clients to get a notification letting them know that the job you have done is complete, when you press this button, you'd select the send event / job completed notices. If you want your clients to get a referral request to refer other clients to you, you can press this button, this checkbox, and it will send an email to your clients asking them for referrals automatically. If you want your admins on the account to get daily calendar balances and daily unfinished jobs, you'd select these two here. For customer progress updates with the checklists, this is the link so that way they can, oh, sorry, not with checklists, just to get a progress on how much time is left on their appointment. They can press the button and request, and you'll have to send them back a time for how long left you have with their vehicle. I always turn this off because the clients spam this button asking for time update requests. For automated upsells for appointments, if you do not want your appointments having the automated upsells and upselling your client via email or text, then you'd select this, do not send them. This is based on scheduling for auto mileage tracker, so you can auto toggle on and off the tracking based on if your employee is working. If they're not working, then the Orbis system will not track their mileage. But if they're on the clock, for example, their schedule is Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., it will mileage track. So this is really for mobile. But if you're also checking their gas as well, Monday through Friday, that could be a good use as well. For auto mobile service, for click client creation, you can auto check the mobile services. So if you have a client and you put in their address, then it's automatically going to check right here that it's a mobile service right here, and it populates one of these addresses. Okay, so if you automatically create a client and put in an address, then it'll auto check mobile service when you create an event for them. And then if you want to use only their first name and variable templates. For example, down here, if we do no show notices and I go to email, high contact, right here, it'll only use their first name. If I deselect this box, it'll use their first and last name right here. Hello, John Doe, versus if I check this, hello, John, okay? These are all templates for email and SMS. They're all defaulted. So go ahead and read which one it is, okay, what it's about, and then if you want to customize any, you can here. I'll go over a few of these in a few seconds here, but custom email footer on the bottom of every email, you can send like your name of your company and your phone number and how to get a hold of you, maybe your booking form even. With this text box down here, it will show on the bottom of every emails on the footer, whatever you put in here. For all of these events, so for this no-show, this is any no-show appointments. We had that right here. Follow up with customers after they no-show. This is the email and SMS template for that automated reminder. We missed you yesterday. Same thing with SMS. And you've got your variables. You can add those in. Every time you press the completed job button, this is a notice that sends out here. Every time you have a new booking and you press save on a new event, this is the, if it's a shop appointment, then it'll send the email here. If it is email and SMS for shops, if it's a mobile appointment, it has a little bit different. It has, we usually arrive on time or before appointment, but for emails, for shops, it says it's a good idea to show up 10 minutes early. So the default templates have a few different wordings based on if it's shop or mobile. Updated, when you update a booking or event, it'll send a message as well. Reminders, this is reminders for 24 hours in advance, 3 hours in advance, a week in advance. These are the automated, reminders for when the appointment's coming up. Okay. Default AI booking messages. This is when you're using the AI booking marketing feature, and it will this is the default when you go to marketing AI booking rules, and I go ahead here, create a new rule. This default message right here is this message right here. Same thing with SMS. Okay, referral requests, we had that referral request, send referral request emails to customers automatically. If it sends that email to them, then this is the email and SMS that gets sent to them. There's not one in here, but it will automatically put one in. A job time left response, you can put your technician working in a vehicle, like the 2018 Audi Q4, has confirmed the vehicle will be ready for pickup, and it will put in the estimated time left for job time. And the key drop lockbox notices is the email and SMS that gets sent when you set up a key drop lockbox code. Same thing with SMS under events. So if I go to events here, calendar, I go to events and I go ahead and press edit. On the left hand side there's a key after hours lockbox code. If you put the box label and the code or pin axis, this is the email and SMS for that. So you can read all of these, adjust them if you'd like, but that is the automations and mail settings in Orbis.